When survival depends on the tools in your hands, having the right axe can make all the difference. In 2026, survival axes are stronger, sharper, and more advanced than ever before, built to handle everything from wilderness adventures and bushcraft camping to emergency survival situations. Make sure you stay until number 1 because the final axe on this list is an absolute beast built for serious survival experts. Number 10. Gerber Bushcraft Survival Axe X. At number 10 on our list of the best survival axes of 2026 is the Gerber Bushcraft Survival Axe X, a modern outdoor tool designed for campers, bushcraft enthusiasts, hikers, and survival experts who need reliability in extreme condition. One major reason outdoor enthusiasts love this axe is because it performs extremely well across multiple survival tasks. The textured grip also improves control during wet weather conditions and cold environments. Many YouTube outdoor gear reviewers praise the Bushcraft Survival Axe X because it combines modern engineering with practical survival functionality while remaining affordable for most outdoor users. The axe additionally includes a reinforced carrying sheath with modular attachment points that allow users to secure it easily to backpacks and camping gear. Online bushcraft communities frequently recommend Gerber survival tools because of their proven reliability and practical real-world performance. Another major strength is durability. For campers, hikers, and survival experts wanting a modern and reliable outdoor tool for adventures in 2026, the Gerber Bushcraft Survival Axe X stands among the best survival axes available this year. Number 9. SOG Camp Hawk Elite. The SOG Camp Hawk Elite takes the number 9 position because it delivers one of the most versatile and tactical-inspired survival axe experiences available in 2026. SOG has built a strong reputation for creating rugged outdoor and survival equipment, and the newest Camp Hawk Elite perfectly showcases the company's focus on durability, portability, and practical field performance. Many YouTube outdoor gear reviewers praise the Camp Hawk Elite because it combines tactical styling with genuine survival functionality instead of focusing only on appearance. The axe additionally includes a durable modular sheath system that allows users to attach it easily to backpacks, tactical gear, or camping setups. Online survival communities frequently recommend SOG tools because they offer dependable real-world performance while remaining highly portable for hiking and emergency preparedness kits. Another major strength is durability. The full tang construction improves structural integrity significantly, helping the axe survive heavy use during demanding outdoor adventures. For survival enthusiasts wanting lightweight reliability and strong all-around outdoor performance, the SOG Camp Hawk Elite stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 8. Schrade X32 Full Tang Survival Axe. The Schrade X32 Full Tang Survival Axe earns the number 8 spot because it combines compact portability, rugged outdoor durability, and modern survival functionality into one of the most dependable survival axes available on Amazon in 2026. The compact design allows users to attach the axe easily to backpacks, tactical gear, and camping setups without adding excessive weight. The included thermoplastic belt sheath additionally improves transportation safety and convenience during travel. The rear hammer section also adds extra functionality for campsite work and emergency outdoor tasks. In many ways, the Schrade X32 Full Tang Survival Axe represents the ideal compact survival tool by combining rugged durability, lightweight portability, practical versatility, and affordable value into one highly capable outdoor axe. For campers and survival enthusiasts wanting a reliable modern survival axe that is widely available on Amazon today, the Schrade X32 Full Tang Survival Axe stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 7. Fiskars X32 Survival Splitter. The Fiskars X32 Survival Splitter takes the number 7 position because it delivers some of the best chopping efficiency and durability available in a modern survival axe for 2026. Fiskars has built a legendary reputation for creating highly efficient cutting tools, and the newest X32 proves exactly why the brand continues dominating the outdoor and wood processing market. Fiskars improved the edge coating and shock absorption system for 2026, allowing the axe to perform even more smoothly during repetitive use. Another huge advantage is durability. Many YouTube camping reviewers praise the X32 because it delivers professional-level wood-splitting performance while remaining accessible and easy to use for average campers and survival enthusiasts. The textured grip additionally improves control during wet conditions and cold weather use. Online outdoor communities frequently rank Fiskars axes among the most dependable survival tools because of their proven durability and practical real-world performance. For campers and survival enthusiasts wanting reliable chopping performance and modern engineering, the Fiskars X32 Survival Splitter stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 6. Hultafors Abyss Titanium Bush Axe. The Hultafors Abyss Titanium Bush Axe earns the number 6 position because it combines premium Scandinavian craftsmanship with advanced modern materials to create one of the most refined survival axes of 2026. Hultafors has become legendary among bushcraft enthusiasts for producing high-quality outdoor tools, and the newest Abyss Titanium Bush Axe perfectly showcases the company's incredible attention to detail and durability. Many YouTube bushcraft reviewers praise the Abyss Titanium Bush Axe because it combines old-world Scandinavian craftsmanship with modern engineering improvements rarely seen in mass-market outdoor tools. The premium leather sheath additionally enhances durability and aesthetics while protecting the blade during transport. Online bushcraft communities frequently rank Hultafors among the greatest axe manufacturers because of the company's dedication to quality and long-term reliability. For bushcraft enthusiasts wanting elite craftsmanship and dependable outdoor performance, the Hultafors Abyss Titanium Bush Axe stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 5. Estwing Black Forged Survival Axe. The Estwing Black Forged Survival Axe takes the number 5 position because it delivers one of the toughest and most dependable survival axe experiences available in 2026. Estwing has built a legendary reputation for producing rugged American-made tools, and the newest Black Forged Survival Axe proves exactly why outdoor enthusiasts continue trusting the brand for demanding wilderness use. One major reason survival enthusiasts love the Black Forged Survival Axe is because it performs exceptionally well during heavy-duty chopping tasks. Whether users are processing large firewood, clearing thick branches, building shelters, or preparing emergency camp setups, the axe delivers powerful impact force with impressive reliability. Many YouTube survival reviewers praise the Black Forged Survival Axe because it feels nearly indestructible while still remaining practical for everyday camping and outdoor use. In many ways, the Estwing Black Forged Survival Axe represents the perfect heavy-duty survival tool by combining legendary toughness, modern styling, powerful chopping capability, and dependable outdoor functionality into one exceptional axe. For adventurers wanting maximum durability and trusted field performance, the Estwing Black Forged Survival Axe stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 4. Cold Steel Trail Boss Extreme. The Cold Steel Trail Boss Extreme earns the number 4 spot because it combines massive chopping power, rugged survival capability, and excellent value into one of the most impressive modern survival axes of 2026. Cold Steel has become famous for producing highly durable outdoor tools, and the newest Trail Boss Extreme perfectly demonstrates the company's commitment to rugged performance and wilderness reliability. The first thing outdoor enthusiasts notice about this axe is its large cutting edge and aggressive chopping profile. Many YouTube outdoor gear reviewers praise the Trail Boss Extreme because it delivers premium-level chopping performance while remaining highly affordable for average campers and bushcraft enthusiasts. The American hickory handle also deserves praise because it provides excellent grip comfort and natural shock absorption during heavy use. Online survival communities frequently recommend Cold Steel tools because of their proven durability and strong real-world field performance. Another major strength is reliability. The simple traditional construction makes the axe easy to maintain, sharpen, and repair even during extended wilderness expeditions. For survival enthusiasts wanting serious wood processing capability and dependable wilderness performance, the Cold Steel Trail Boss Extreme stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 3. Gransfors Bruk Arctic Survival Axe. The Gransfors Bruk Arctic Survival Axe takes the number 3 position because it represents some of the finest traditional craftsmanship and wilderness performance available in a modern survival axe for 2026. Gransfors Bruk has become legendary among bushcraft experts and outdoor professionals for producing hand-forged axes of extraordinary quality, and the newest Arctic survival axe continues that incredible legacy. The first thing collectors notice about this axe is its beautiful handcrafted construction. Another huge advantage is durability. The hand-forged steel head maintains exceptional sharpness while resisting damage during repeated heavy use in cold and harsh wilderness conditions. Many YouTube bushcraft reviewers praise the Arctic survival axe because it combines old-world craftsmanship with elite outdoor performance better than almost any competitor. The handcrafted leather sheath additionally enhances both aesthetics and practicality during transportation. For serious bushcraft enthusiasts and survival professionals wanting elite quality craftsmanship and field performance, the Gransfors Bruk Arctic Survival Axe stands among the best survival axes of 2026. Number 2. CRKT Chogan T-Hawk Survival Axe. The CRKT Chogan T-Hawk Survival Axe earns the number 2 position because it combines traditional tomahawk-inspired design, modern survival functionality, and rugged field durability into one of the most popular survival axes available on Amazon. In 2026, the lightweight tomahawk-style construction allows users to swing the axe quickly and accurately while still generating strong impact force during chopping tasks. Many YouTube survival reviewers praise the Chogan T-Hawk because it combines traditional outdoor aesthetics with practical modern survival performance while remaining affordable and easy to carry. The wooden handle also provides excellent natural grip comfort and shock absorption during repeated use. Online bushcraft communities frequently rank CRKT survival tools among the best value outdoor gear because of their strong durability and reliable field performance. Another major strength is portability. The compact size allows users to attach the axe easily to backpacks, camping setups, and tactical gear without adding excessive weight during long outdoor trips. The included blade sheath additionally improves transportation safety and edge protection while traveling through wilderness environments. Number 1. Estwing Campers Axe E44A. The Estwing Campers Axe E44A takes the number 1 position as the best survival axe of 2026 because it combines legendary durability, compact wilderness practicality, powerful chopping performance, and trusted real-world reliability into one of the most popular survival axes available on Amazon today. The polished steel finish and stacked leather grip additionally give the axe a timeless wilderness appearance that feels both classic and extremely dependable in the field. One major reason outdoor enthusiasts love the Campers Axe E44A is because it performs exceptionally well across a wide variety of survival and camping tasks. Whether users are chopping firewood, splitting kindling, clearing trails, building shelters, or preparing campsite materials, the axe delivers excellent cutting power while remaining compact enough for easy transportation. Estwing improved the edge geometry and grip comfort for 2026, making the axe even more efficient and comfortable during extended chopping sessions. Another huge advantage is portability. So that was our list of the top 10 best survival axes of 2026. Let us know in the comments which survival axe was your favorite and which one you would take into the wilderness right now. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more outdoor gear rankings and survival content coming very soon.